everyone, welcome. I'm Meha, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the Nykaa All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick. I have the shade Soul Sister, and in case you're planning to buy this lipstick, I urge you to listen to the whole video because I have some thoughts about this. So without further ado, let's turn over some makeup. The lipstick comes in this plastic see-through packaging, so if you have more than one shade, it's easy to find out which one. This name is written at the bottom, and you get 2.1 ml of product for 349 rupees, which I think is a lot less product than what you usually get in the market for a lipstick in this same price range. This is the applicator. It's very similar to the e.l.f.'s lip glosses, and it actually smells exactly like the e.l.f.'s lip glosses, so that's that. And the expiry is written on the tube, which I really appreciate. I think every lipstick should have this kind of a packaging where like the expiry is written on the packaging, so I really do appreciate this. The consistency of this lipstick is quite liquidy, and it sets to a completely matte finish, and the shade Soul Sister is like a very pretty deep pink shade, and it will suit across all skin tones. As you can see, it's very pretty. Really like this shade. It's also great for everyday wear. It also smells like vanilla. And I'm going to be swatching the lipstick now. I'm taking the excess off from the brush and applying it. As you can see, it has really good pigmentation. It's a one swipe pigmentation, and just the slightest amount is required with this lipstick, especially for this shade called Soul Sister. Now, if you have extremely dry and chapped lips, I would suggest you to prep it with a lip balm and use a nice lip scrub and have like a nice clean canvas for this to lay on. I'm gonna do the transfer and smudge test now. As you can see, there's nothing that's transferred, and I'm smudging it a lot of times and it barely came off, so you can see this. Yeah, so that's quite impressive. I'm going to talk to you about how to wear this lipstick properly, because the first 5 times I tried it, I almost wanted to throw this out of the window. Okay, hear me out. So the first time I tried this, obviously I took a lot of it and I just slapped it on, and I could feel my lips dying under this lipstick. It was sucking all the moisture out of my lipstick. So one thing, I think we can go with the fact that this is an extremely dry lipstick. So if you have very dry lips, don't buy this, especially in the winters. No, this is a big no-no. But I have to say that the pigmentation is great. Even if you take the slightest amount and apply it on your lips, you will get good coverage. At least that's what I've noticed with this particular shade called Soul Sister. I cannot speak for other shades in this collection, which, by the way, I'm not impressed by the shade range of this collection. Most of the shades I feel are suited more for fair skin tones, and there are a couple of reds and pinks, and it's just so boring. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? The only shade I liked is this, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people will. And this will suit across all skin tones. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna like this. Okay, coming back to the lipstick. This is gonna be like, is it gonna be transfer proof when you wear a mask? No. The pigment is definitely gonna transfer, but it's gonna stay. The lipstick overall is gonna stay for you for a long time. I did a wear test, which I'm gonna show you in a few minutes, but it lasted me for about, I think, 6 to 7 hours, except the fact that when I ate, it went from the inner parts of my lips. And if you want to reapply, just take the slightest amount. I'm not even kidding. Like, take the slightest amount, brush the excess off, and then put it. Otherwise, your lips are gonna die. I'm not kidding. If you apply too much of this lipstick, let me tell you what's gonna happen. 1, it's gonna completely dry out your lips. 2, it's gonna crack and form lines in between your lips, and you can literally, your lips will be visible from like through the lipstick. It looks so ugly. And 3, it will completely smudge off and it'll powder up and it will fall. Like, that's what has happened when I've tried to put this like more than what it is supposed to be put, Do you know what I mean? Yeah. To sum it all up, here are the pros and cons. Pause and check it out, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and found it helpful, do hit the like and let me know in the comments down below what you think. Have you bought this? Were you planning to buy this? Are you gonna buy it? Whatever. Just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.